What's up guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Google Home Mini. So my father just bought this for me and I'm very happy for him to buy this. So big shout out to my father for making me do this video. So this is the Google Home Mini. As you can see, it's the charcoal version and it's a very good picture over there, and it's bundled with Google Assistant, and these are the questions which actually we can ask Google, and it's actually small and mighty, and it's powered by the Google Assistant. And the apps that can support are the Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, and you look back, it will say that it only supports Android or iOS, so you will not be able to support your Windows or Mac devices. So let's jump right into it and let's open that seal. Okay, let's open this up. There he is. So this is the Google Home Mini in its glory. Got micro USB port. This is the button to make it mute, and this is the stand. So we take this cover off, and we have some quick start instructions on our Google Home Mini. Let's see. So we need to connect the power adapter to our Google Home Mini and download the Google Home app from the Google Play on the App Store, which we have. And we need to get to know our Google Home Mini. It is, and here this is the mic switch. We need to switch to show bright orange, and that's this one, and we long press to play and pause, or to activate Google Assistant. And then there are lots of comments I can ask Google Assistant. The support here, nothing more. And then this is the warranty, by the way, be safe. So this is the warranty. It is actually it's the warranty. And here we have our power adapter. So this is a micro USB port, no USB-C, and this is a US wall outlet. I need an adapter for this to work. And then that we have finished unboxing this one. Now let's set it up. So this is the US wall outlet. I need to use an adapter for this. So this is the power that I need to do to plug this. And then we need to plug this into our Google Home Mini. And then we lay it here. We'll soon start up. It's taking a long time to start. Okay, that's the Buddha animation.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So to set this up, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2016 with S Pen. It's going to launch the Google Home application right here. Get started. Dismiss. And should get started. Then next. It's looking for devices. Okay, there we go. Yes, please. The Wi-Fi will get disconnected actually. So they're setting up right now. Okay, connected. So yes, I'm in. Proceed. So where I'll be using this, I think it's in the family room. And then we're gonna connect this. Okay. So it's connecting to Wi-Fi. So we are using this step to connect to the Wi-Fi with this Google Home Mini. And okay, there we go, it's connected. And we are going to press next. It's doing its thing, and I agree. I already set up voice match with Google Assistant, so it'll take less than a minute. Okay, I agree. I'm gonna type in my street address. You don't need to see this. Okay. Wi-Fi cancel. Not now. Sure. So he's installing the software update, which it will take a long time. Some lights which is signaling that they're installing the update, and it's taking at least 3 minutes left. So I'll see you guys when this update finishes. Okay, so the family room speaker is ready. Now let's continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
So just start by saying hey Google, this, and then finish setup. Okay, let's try the comments. Okay Google, what is the nearest flower shop?
Craft Flower is on 71 Woodlands Industrial Park E9, number 0303 Wave 9 in Singapore, and is 67 meters away.
Okay Google, how do you say how are you in Portuguese?
In Portuguese, that's
Como você está?
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to smash that like button, and I will catch you guys in the next video.